Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start on the roof immediately after safety checks. Secure a ladder stabilizer and wear fall protection. Begin by clearing leaves and dirt from the dormer face and inside the attic area because water tracks and debris hide the source. Use a flashlight to trace stains, inspect flashing edges, shingle laps, and any pipe boots or vents. Once you identify candidate spots, mark them with chalk so you can focus repairs precisely and avoid wasting material or time. You now do the detailed work. Carefully lift surrounding shingles and remove any damaged pieces 1 to 2 courses above the leak to create a proper overlap. Slide a new metal flashing under the upper shingles and over the dormer wall intersection so water sheds away. Seal the top edge with roofing cement to prevent capillary action. Replace shingles, driving corrosion-resistant nails into the solid deck only, and make sure to bed exposed nail heads with cement to stop future weeping. You finish by sealing all transitions and testing the job. Run a hose in a controlled way for 5–10 minutes while a partner watches the attic for new drips. Make sure all seams are smooth and bed any remaining gaps with exterior-grade silicone or polyurethane sealant. Let cure per product directions. If water still appears, check the underlayment or interior nail penetrations. Sometimes the issue is a torn underlayment or blocked vents. In that case, remove local decking for inspection or call a pro.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.